Italian, you say? Don't worry. What it really means is, dress as Mario, do it fast. So this is my lateral kit from didnt. I ordered it, I think, 3 to 5 days ago. Came straight from Italy. I want to make this quick little video to show you the quality. As at the moment you can see me struggling to open it. So what we need here is some dramatic music. So I'm always skeptical when it comes to braces. I've been using Summit for a few years and absolutely fantastic. Usually it's the quality of welds you see are useless, but I wanted to make this video. You can see a close-up. I will show you through the video. I know these were fitted to American cars and maybe on the later European ones. I'm pretty sure we didn't get them on my one. Mine's a 2010 model. So it comes with the 2 bolts that you need and a sticker if you're into that kind of thing. Most places would advertise it around £135. I picked them up for 118 quid delivered. Obviously it's a bit cheaper because they've come direct from Italy. As you can see here, a close-up of it. It's a pretty nice product, to be fair. You never know these days with braces. It's usually some idiot with a welder and a couple of pieces of pipe. Obviously when they're on the car and how long they've been on the car, we shall see what sort of state they end up in. But I'll do a video separately to show them being fitted to the car. As I say, at the moment I've got a bad neck, so I can't really do anything with the car. Obviously the deadline for my first sprint is approaching, so I will have to get better. But we'll get it sorted in the end. But yeah, a nice product and all. I've had some braces over the years, especially ultra racing. It's literally a hollow piece of pipe with 2 things welded on the end, and that's what you get.